In this short video, we'll take a look at Google Cloud Platform integration with the Jamcracker Cloud Management Platform. The integration requires that you've entered the cloud service credentials for the different cloud platforms. Here we see the Google Cloud credentials. We'll take a look at that really quickly. Once that has been entered and validated, we can go ahead and begin placing orders for application stacks for the Google Cloud Platform. There's this one here. I'll go ahead and launch it. And then I'll enter some information to get it launched. Give it a name, select the budget that I want to apply to it, and I can go ahead and then specify different parameters I want for the instance. Give it a new name, select the vendor as Google Cloud. That's the only vendor allowed for this particular application stack. I can then select which region, the OS version, and then what size. In this case, I'll select small. I can then go and maybe change the boot disk type to persistent disk, standard persistent disk, and go ahead and launch at this point. Now, after launching, I have to go and approve the request. This is an approval workflow we have built into the platform. I am the admin, so I'm able to do all these things myself. After it's been approved, I can then come into the Manage App Stack screen and take a look at the application as it's running. We can see the status as the machine is coming up. So after about 30 seconds to a minute or so, we see that Google machine has come up and running. And we see actions available for us. We can have basic lifecycle management, such as stop, terminate, and reboot. We can modify instance credentials. We can also view the details of that specific virtual machine instance, including its IP address, its name, its region, and its OS version, etc. We'll go now and take a look at information available in our dashboard as part of our analytics. So for this US West 1A zone, we can see that I have 5 running instances and 3 stopped instances. We get similar information about volumes, IP addresses, snapshots, and images. At the bottom, we also see a real-time view of the instances with information about them, including when they were launched, what zone they're in, and their current status. In other analytics dashboards, such as the executive dashboard here, we can see the cloud cost trend. We can show it for all providers, including a breakout by provider, showing you Google Cloud, as well as the cost trend by provider. And we also have breakdowns by the different services, the storage types, and the different resources. We also have a cost analytics dashboard that can show the different products, such as if I go to the Google Compute Engine, we can see here the price for that. You can see the different costs by platforms, by instance type or size, by the infrastructure service usage type, resource count by region, cost by region, as well as the virtual machine count by its source of creation, whether it's our platform or the vendor console, the Google console. Lastly, here for analytics, we have tag analytics, giving customers a view of their costs across cloud providers based on tags. So for this particular tag key of environment production, we can see this cost, and this regardless of which cloud platform it's on.